Hello everybody, this is Johnny. Let's do some counting together. We need something to count, and we need a cat. How many dots are there? How many altogether? Let's organize them to see what we have. Let's put these together over here. This one's trying to run away. Let's put that with these. And these over here. All of these belong in this corner. A couple more of those. A couple of these. This one here. Another one of those. And then all of these here. Let's see what we have now. Look at all the dots. How many here? How many here? How many here? And how many here? And how many altogether? Let's organize them differently to see what we have. Start with these. We'll put these together up here, and then this one goes there, and here. A couple of these. Let's put these down here. And these should go here. What about these? This one belongs there. And a couple of these down here. One of those and one of those. And those look good. And what do we have here? Let's go ahead and put this one here. And here. A couple of these. This one goes here. Another of these. And this last bunch. Look, there are a couple more of these in this one. And here. And here. A couple more of these. And these here. And this one. Let's make them a little neater. Look at what we have. Let's do something to see them a little bit better. What if we do this? And with these, maybe that helps. And this helps with those. And this helps with those. How many are there in the top row? How many in this row? How many in this row? And then how many in this row? And how many in this row? And then, how many in this bottommost row? And then think about how many altogether. Let's build something special. Let's see, we'll take those and move those over there. These here. That's looking good. What we want to do is put all of these like this. And then these next ones, the same way. And can we make another one? Looks like we can. Is there another one here? Looks like there is. Look at those for a moment. Let's make one more. Look, here we are with another. Let's build something else. What if we take these, we put them like that, and the next pair as well, next pair as well. Let's see if we can do this again. These two there, and these two here. And then over here, let's leave these together and put these like this, and these will be by their lonesome. What do we have? How many here? 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 And how many on this side altogether? And how many in this row? Let's not forget these. How many altogether? And what if over here we join these? How many here now? Let's do that to the next one as well. We join these. How many here? And the next one. Joining them. How many here? And the next one. How many here? And these as well. How many here? And what if we left that row there, but we joined this row with it? How many here? And then this row joins. How many now? And then this row joins. How many now? And then this row joins. How many now? And then let's not forget these and these. How many here? How many here? These as well. How many altogether? Let's build some things. I'm going to start with these. Put this one down here. And I'm going to need some of these. Let's see, I think we need one more of those. Let's see, what's it looking like now? What should go next? I agree. Let's go ahead and put some of these on top like this. What comes next? Yep, a couple of these. And on the very top, one of those. Take a look at that. Let's build something else. Let's build it this way. Start with this many here, and then underneath it we're going to need some of these. Make sure we have enough. That looks good like that. What comes next after this? Let's go ahead and put a few of these. And next, looks like we need a couple of these. And on the very bottom, one of these. Take a look at that for a moment. Let's leave those up there, but put these all together down here. Take a look at what we have. How many are here? How many here? How many here? How many here? And how many altogether? And what if these join there, and these joined here, and these joined here, and here, and here? How many dots over here now? And don't forget these and these. How many altogether? Let's build a couple more things. What if we took all of these down here and gave them these friends like this? Make sure we have the same number. What if next to that we built this, with these on top, like that. And then over here, we go ahead and build these. And what should we put on top of those? I think these should go on top. Let's see, let's put one more. Take a look at all those. Let's see, let's do a little train over here. Yeah, just like that. And we'll leave these on their lonesome down here. And how many are here? How many here? How many here? How many here? And don't forget these. How many altogether? Let's make a train to see what we have. We'll put these up here for now. This will be the front of our train. Remember how many are here? Let's go ahead and add to our train. If I add these to those, how many are going to be in our train now? Let's keep going. If we take all of these and we add these to the train, how many? And then with these, let's go ahead and put them together like this. First these two, and then these. How many? And let's not forget to add these to the very end. How many dots are there? How many altogether? I bet the cat knows. Do you?